How to factory reset iPhone 5s without password. Actually, it is very easy to do. In this video, we will show you 3 methods to factory reset iPhone 5s without password. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone 5s with iTunes. If you are wondering about iPhone 5s factory reset without password, the first solution comes to our mind is using iTunes. Launch iTunes on your computer, and connect your computer to your iPhone using a USB cable. Select the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes interface. Click on Summary later and press Restore iPhone. To confirm your choice, click the Restore button again. iTunes will wipe your device data and restore your device to factory settings. After restarting your phone, you just need to reset your iPhone. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone 5s with iCloud. In addition, if you enabled Find My iPhone feature in your iPhone 5s, then iCloud is also another official solution to help you factory reset iPhone 5 without passcode. Enter in iCloud.com and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature. Select the iPhone to unlock. At last, click Erase iPhone button to make the iPhone come back to the factory settings. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone 5s with Joyoshare iPasscode unlocker. If for some reasons, you cannot use iTunes or iCloud to factory reset iPhone 5s, then Joyoshare iPasscode unlocker is the best choice for you. It can help you unlock iPhone screen without using any passcode, including the Apple ID passcode. Now let me show you how to factory raise iPhone 5 with Joyoshare iPasscode unlocker. Launch it and connect the locked iPhone to the PC. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. If you cannot put your iPhone into DFU mode, you can try recovery mode. Select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click the Start button to continue. After you did it, click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock your iPhone 5s. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete.